For our center double decreases, I just want to demonstrate how you'll remain in pattern. You'll continue in your pattern until 2 stitches before your marker, and then you'll do your center double decrease by slipping as if to knit the 2 stitches. Hold on to your marker. You will knit the following stitch, continuing in pattern. So if this is your main color, you want to knit it with your contrasting color, and then you'll slip those 2 stitches back over, pass them over. Let me show that to you one more time. You'll replace the marker, continue on in pattern here, so you'll see that was contrasting color, main color, contrasting color, until 2 stitches before the next marker. We'll do another center double decrease. The other thing I would recommend is using a marker that's different from your others to signify your beginning of round marker. Okay, so let's see. It's 3. Okay, so center double decrease. I'm slipping these 2 as if to knit, laying onto my marker. That's a contrasting color. To knit with my main color. Might go ahead and add your marker if it's too much juggling. And then we're going to take those first 2 stitches that I slipped as if to knit and pass them both over. Give it a little tug. Make sure the tension matches your other stitches. And there you go. And then after a decrease round, you'll knit around in pattern, and you'll start to see your center double decreases create